Ah yes, this is a Whirlpool tumble dryer which was not heating up, and I've done in a previous video how one of the thermostats had failed. It'd gotten burnt out. It also fried the leads as well, so pretty bad. Never seen it so bad, in fact. But what I've done, I've ordered 2 replacement thermostats from the internet. Only cost, I don't know, about £6. Very little money. And the other one was good, but I've put 2 new ones anyway, just to play safe. These fittings are okay, but here I've had to replace what was damaged with some new fittings. I got those out of a cheapo pack that I got from a supermarket, and they have that type of fitting, so very appropriate for here. And I crimped those on. Now the thing with the circuit is that if there is a connection that is not correct, then none of these thermostats will work, and the tumble dryer will not heat up. So simply by turning the machine on and seeing if it works, I know that what I've done here is good, so I don't need to investigate it any further. That's fine. And I've just been running it a few minutes ago. I can show you what the temperature is. 74. Well, got 74 a minute ago. Don't know if you can see the screen. We're reading some high numbers. So that shows the heat.